Changing your primary email on Wells Fargo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access profile settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the profile settings, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. You will see your current email address listed. Enter your new primary email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages from Wells Fargo. Following these steps will ensure your primary email is updated successfully.